your understanding of judicial overreach, and do you have an examples you can give us on judicial overreach?
Yes, my understanding of judicial overreach is when the courts intervene in matters that are in the terrain of the executive. I don't believe that the Constitutional Court may have been criticized from time to time for intervening in issues pertaining to Parliament. The EFF matter, EFF UDM versus the Speaker of Parliament is one of the matters. There was dissension in the court itself on I think the Chief Justice said that this is a classic case of overreach. My view was quite different. I believed that there were certain obligations that Parliament had to carry out under the Constitution, which it hadn't done so, and on that basis, the court intervened, and the court then made an order, obliging Parliament to do what it had to do. In this case, it was to put in place rules, impeachment rules. So I believe that, and I dealt with this somewhat when I answered Minister Lamola's question. Where there's a fundamental right that is violated or infringed, courts are duty-bound to intervene.